In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English, Term 2, Unit 2 Supplementary, Practice Makes a Man Perfect. Before getting to the story, let us see some words and their meanings. Archer, a person who shoots with bow and arrow. Precisely, exactly. Admirers, people who admire. Awe, wondered. Mocking, ridiculed. Annoyed, irritated. Let us get into the story now. Practice makes a man perfect. Long ago, there lived an archer named Uttaman. During his time, the forest and animals filled the lands. He was a skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the center of the target precisely, no matter how far the target was. He was also show off. He liked to show his skills for the crowds to admire. Long ago, a man lived. He was an archer and named Uttaman. Archer means a person who shoots with bow and arrow. In his time, the forests and animals filled in the lands. He was a skilled archer, that is, very good in archery. He could hit the center of the target if it is far away also. He could hit the target precisely. Precisely means exactly. Sometimes he used to show off to admire the people. Yes, in front of the people he used to do and attract the people. One day, as usual, he was shooting arrows at the targets. The admirers watched in awe. At the time, a man with a beard, as white as snow, carrying oil gourds, joined the crowd and stood at the back. As Uttaman finished, the crowd clapped and cheered for him except the oil seller. He neither clapped or neither cheered. One day, as usual, Uttaman was shooting arrows at the target. The admirers watched in awe. Admirers means people who watched the show. They were wondered. Awe means wondered. At the time, there was a man with a beard as white as snow. Beard means you all know that old people, they have in their face, isn't it? Hair in the face, no? That only beard. It was white because he was old. And he was carrying oil gourds. You can see in the picture, this is oil gourd. We used to fill oil in that. The oil seller joined the crowd and stood at the back. After Uttaman finished the show, all the people clapped and cheered, except the oil seller. He neither clapped nor cheered. Suddenly, with a deep and loud tone, he said, "It's just a matter of practice." Uttaman got annoyed. The irritated Uttaman asked, "Are you an archer? Do you think anyone can do what I do?" Suddenly, the oil seller said in a loud tone, "It's just a matter of practice." By hearing that, Uttaman got annoyed. Annoyed means irritated. The irritated Uttaman asked the oil seller, "Are you an archer? Do you think anyone can do what I do?" The old man said calmly, "No, sir, I am not an archer. I don't doubt your skills. All I said was that everything was a matter of practice." Uttaman was red in anger. "What do you know to pass such thoughtless commands on others? Who are you?" After Uttaman asked that, "Are you an archer and do you think anyone can do what I do?" For that, the old man replied very calmly, "No, sir, I am not an archer. I don't have any doubt in your talent. Just I said that everything was a matter of practice. If you practice, everything is easy." Uttaman was red in anger. He got anger and he said that, "How can you pass such thoughtless commands on others? How can you comment on others' skills? Who are you?" He asked, "Who are you?" "Sir, there is no reason to be angry. I am a simple oil seller. I am sure you must have guessed that by seeing my gourds. I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you, said the old man. Uttaman in mocking tone said, show us your skills. Uttaman asked, who are you? The old man replied that, sir, no need to be angry. I am a simple oil seller. I thought you would have guessed by seeing my gourds. I used to fill the oil gourds with oil and sell them. So by practicing these things, I have achieved some skill by filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. By hearing that, Uttaman in a mocking tone said, show us your skill. Mocking means ridiculed. Everyone was curious. They wanted to see what would happen next. The crowd inched closer to get a closer view of the oil seller. Unfazed by the crowd and by habit, the oil seller was calm. Everyone was very curious that what is going to be happen and what is the thing it's going to do by the oil seller. The crowd came closer to see the view. The oil seller was unfazed by the crowd. By the habit, he was very calm because he practiced that what he is going to do. So he was very calm. He patiently placed an empty gourd on the ground. He then placed a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. The small coin made up of copper had a small hole at its center. The oil seller stood up, took some oil in the ladle and began to pour the oil into the gourd. From the height he poured the oil, it went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the oil seller had finished filling the gourd, he lifted the coin. He had showed people that the coin did not have any trace of oil. Do you know what the oil seller had done? Come, let us see. He placed an empty gourd on the ground. Then he placed a small coin on its mouth. The coin was made up of copper and there was a small hole in its center. The oil seller stood up, took some oil in a ladle. Ladle means spoon. He started to pour the oil into the gourd. From the height he poured the oil, it went straight into the gourd. After he had finished, he took the coin and showed to the people that the coin did not have any trace of the oil. So he poured the oil minutely. The crowd was shocked to silence. Then one person cheered and soon the entire crowd burst into a laugh for the oil seller. The oil seller smiled and said, as I told, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice. Uttaman was just as surprised as the crowd. He smiled and said, you have taught me something today. Thank you. By seeing the performance of the oil seller, whole crowd was shocked to silence. One person cheered, then the entire crowd was cheered the oil seller. The oil seller smiled and said that, as I told, there is nothing special about it. It is a matter of practice. Uttaman was just surprised as the crowd and he smiled and said to the oil seller, thank you, you have taught me something today. So children, practice makes a man perfect. If we are going on practicing a work, that work will be perfect. So we have to practice, practice, practice. I hope you will practice and develop your skills.